Looking for an authentic Caribbean getaway that won't break the bank? Let's dive deep into Riu Republica, a four-star all-inclusive resort nestled in the heart of Punta Cana, Dominican Republic. This Spanish-owned property has been making waves in the competitive Caribbean hotel scene, and today we're going to explore whether it lives up to the hype or if you should keep scrolling through those vacation deals. When it comes to accommodations, Riu Republica offers a solid range of options that cater to different budgets and group sizes. The standard rooms clock in at around 30 to 35 square meters, which translates to roughly 320 to 375 square feet for those of us who still think in imperial measurements. These rooms come equipped with all the basics you'd expect from a modern resort. Air conditioning that actually works, flat-screen televisions, telephones, safes for your valuables, hairdryers, and complimentary toiletries. Each room features either a balcony or terrace, offering views of the gardens, pools, or if you're lucky, partial glimpses of the ocean. The standard rooms comfortably accommodate 2 to 3 guests, making them perfect for couples or small families. Moving up the ladder, the superior rooms offer a bit more space at 35 to 40 square meters and come with enhanced amenities like premium bedding and upgraded toiletries. These rooms typically feature better locations on the property and often provide sea or pool views. For families traveling with children, the family suites are where things get interesting. These spacious accommodations span 50 to 60 square meters and include separate living areas, with some units featuring kitchenettes. They can comfortably house 4 to 6 guests, making them ideal for larger families or groups of friends. The junior suites split the difference, offering 40 to 45 square meters with a bedroom and sitting area combination, typically featuring sea views that make those early morning coffee moments extra special. The dining scene at Riu Republica revolves around variety and convenience, which is exactly what you want from an all-inclusive experience. The main buffet restaurant serves as the heart of the culinary operation, offering international cuisine with Caribbean influences throughout the day. This spacious venue can accommodate 400 to 500 guests and operates from early morning until late evening, typically from 6:30 a.m. to 10:30 p.m. The breakfast buffet here is particularly noteworthy, featuring everything from tropical fruits and fresh pastries to made-to-order omelets. Lunch service continues the international theme, while dinner often features themed nights that showcase different cuisines and cultural experiences. The dress code remains smart casual for dinner, though breakfast and lunch maintain a more relaxed atmosphere. Beyond the main buffet, the resort typically offers 2 to 3 specialty restaurants that require advance reservations. These venues focus on specific cuisines such as Italian, Asian, or Mexican, depending on the season and availability. Operating hours usually run from 6 p.m. to 10 p.m., and the more intimate settings accommodate 80 to 150 guests per restaurant. The reservation system can be competitive during peak season, so it's wise to book your spots early in your stay. When it comes to liquid refreshments, the resort features multiple bars strategically located throughout the property. The pool bar serves tropical cocktails and light snacks from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m., perfect for those lazy afternoon pool sessions. The beach bar offers beverages and snacks with your toes in sand, operating from morning until sunset. The lobby or main bar provides full service from 10 a.m. until midnight or later, specializing in cocktails, spirits, and wines. Additionally, entertainment venues often include a disco or nightclub area, and sometimes a piano bar or lounge for those seeking a more sophisticated evening atmosphere. The aquatic facilities at Riu Republica center around an impressive main pool that spans approximately 500 to 800 square meters. This outdoor freshwater pool features varying depths from a shallow 0.6 meter children's area to a 1.8 meter deep end for stronger swimmers. One of the standout features is the swim-up bar, allowing guests to enjoy tropical cocktails without ever leaving the water. The pool area is surrounded by comfortable loungers and umbrellas, with towel service provided throughout the day. Operating hours typically run from 8 a.m. until sunset, with seasonal variations depending on weather conditions. The resort also maintains 1 to 2 secondary pools, which may include an adults-only section or dedicated activity pool for water games and exercises. The beachfront experience is equally impressive, with the resort claiming approximately 200 to 300 meters of private sandy coastline. The white to golden sand beach offers generally calm water conditions suitable for swimming, though ocean conditions can vary with weather and season. Beach services include comfortable loungers, umbrellas, and towel service, ensuring guests can spend entire days by the ocean without worrying about logistics. The beach bar provides convenient refreshment service without requiring trips back to the main resort areas. Water sports enthusiasts will find plenty of options, including snorkeling equipment, paddleboards, kayaks, and windsurfing gear, though availability may be seasonal. More adventurous activities like jet skiing might be available for additional fees. The beach also features volleyball courts for those looking to stay active while enjoying the tropical setting. The combination of pool and beach facilities means guests never feel crowded, as the expansive water options distribute people naturally throughout the day. Activity options at Riu Republica cater to guests seeking both relaxation and adventure. The fitness center features modern cardio equipment including treadmills, elliptical machines, and stationary bikes, complemented by free weights, dumbbells, and resistance machines. Yoga mats are available for those preferring floor exercises or stretching routines. The facility typically operates from 6 a.m. to 9 p.m., accommodating both early risers and evening workout enthusiasts. Group fitness classes add a social element to staying active, with options including yoga sessions, aerobics classes, and water aerobics in the pool areas. Personal training services may be available for additional fees for guests seeking more customized workout experiences. Beyond traditional fitness, the resort offers a comprehensive entertainment program that changes throughout the week. Evening shows typically run from 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. and feature everything from live music performances to themed cultural presentations. Daytime activities include pool games, beach competitions, and organized sports that encourage guest participation and social interaction. The entertainment team works hard to create an engaging atmosphere without being overly intrusive, striking a balance that appeals to both social butterflies and those preferring quieter vacation experiences. Seasonal events add extra excitement during holidays like Christmas and New Year, with special programming that celebrates both international and local Dominican traditions. The resort's location also provides easy access to external activities like golf courses within 10 to 15 kilometers, ziplining parks, and ATV tours for those wanting to explore beyond the resort boundaries. Spa and wellness facilities at Riu Republica focus on providing relaxation and rejuvenation experiences that complement the tropical setting. While specific spa details require verification directly with the resort, typical offerings include massage therapy, facial treatments, and body treatments that incorporate Caribbean-inspired techniques and ingredients. The spa environment usually features relaxation areas where guests can unwind before and after treatments and may include amenities like saunas or steam rooms for additional wellness benefits. Operating hours generally run from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m., with advance reservations strongly recommended, especially during peak season when demand is highest. Signature treatments often incorporate local ingredients and traditional techniques that reflect the Dominican Republic's natural resources and cultural heritage. The wellness philosophy extends beyond the spa facility itself, with the resort's design and activities promoting overall well-being. The tropical gardens provide peaceful spaces for meditation or quiet reflection, while the beachfront offers natural therapy through sun, sand, and sea air. Some wellness programming may include group yoga classes on the beach during sunrise or sunset, creating memorable experiences that combine fitness with the natural beauty of the Caribbean setting. The integration of wellness concepts throughout the resort means that relaxation and health-conscious choices are available, whether guests book specific spa treatments or simply take advantage of the natural therapeutic environment that surrounds a property. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you're not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our Best Hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.